Buenos dias.
Good morning, beautiful people.
We are at Agua Azul Waterfalls. Last night we slept in a fuel station and
Wait till we have some guests. Hola.
And the police wake us up.
Yes, peso.
The police woke us up during the night at 4 in the morning.
Luca, gusto saludarte, que tenga bonito día, buen viaje.
Gracias, buenas noches. And
it's always uncomfortable because,
yeah.
Even if they just want to check, you just feel, so vulnerable. You cannot sleep anymore. So we just stay like 2 hours in the camper, and then we decided to go ahead, even if it was really dark. Let's see if we will survive.
Yeah, we couldn't fall asleep anymore because it's always a little bit shaky when they knock on your door during the night, and there were 2 camionetas of the policia, so there was a little bit scary, but then we woke up, we drove here, we arrived here like 7:30 in the morning.
We slept. The carretera, the 199, is really slow. Because not just this one, but this one in particularly, because you go up in the mountain, then downhill, and it's full of topes. You pass through all the villages, and you really need to pay attention every 20 meters because you cannot see anything. There are bumpers everywhere, and
all
it's really
time.
dangerous for the camper because we are so heavy, and really you risk to destroy the camper and the wheels and everything. And then yesterday we read like articles about this 199. There's this like rebel political movement called Zapatistas. They block the road and they ask you for money. Luckily we didn't see anything. We didn't encounter nobody, anyone ask us for money. But was, you feel a little bit scary because you don't know what to do in case you will meet someone on the road. But everything is okay. We are here. We survived the night in the best way. Luca was driving like a pro, really good.
This road is really rough, so you have to be really focused. I think the best way is just to let a car go in front. We fortunately found a truck, a big truck in front of us, so he was driving the right speed, so it was good to follow him and so see all the topes, the bumps and all the holes, because the roads are really in bad condition. So during the night, if you have somebody in front of you, it's safer and it's easier to drive as well. That is my suggestion.
Yeah, but we don't want to bother you anymore. We want to bring you with us during this day trip adventure in Agua Azul Waterfalls. Let's see if it's so different from El Chiflón.
Yeah.
And let's enjoy the day and just relax a little bit.
Let's go.
Ciao.
So this is the map of Agua Azul. We are here right now, and we will explore a little bit and show you some highlights. Non fa più.
Vai. Look, and the peacock. No, the peacock è pavone. And the turkey.
The turkey. It's following us.
Uh-oh, it's coming. It's coming to Luca.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Let's swim a little bit for refresh a little bit from this high.
Right there. And after soaking a little bit in the potas, lunch with a view. $1.
Having a snack, it's 5 empanadas. It's like
Cos'è quello?
this one is chicken, it's pollo. 5 empanadas, 20 pesos, $1 for 5. And I got one for each taste. One was with potatoes, the other one was with beans, frijoles, papas, frijoles, chicken, pollo, meat, carne, and the last one queso, cheese.